Nan silans, nou travay san pedis. Y'all don't speak Creole. Never mind. Y'all. What's up? What's up? We're back with another video. It's been a little bit. There's a big drama, and I'm learning English, and I was trying to see if I should bounce on Duolingo and podcast, and something that's harder than all the political debates and all the president going to courts and everything that's going on is the beef between Drake and Kendrick Lamar. So you know what? Why not? Why not? They say the best way to understand the language is to actually understand who's the best at it, who's the best at writing, the best at poetry, the best at rapping, the best rapper and everything. Then you can finally say that you actually speak the language because you understand the true. Let's go straight to the music before I talk too much. Yeah, let's go straight. Not Like Us by Kendrick Lamar. It's this right after something Drake post, and then let's go straight to it. Boom.
I see dead people. Monster on the beat, ho, depot, getting rap, nigga, yeah, free throw, man down, call an ambulance, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What?
You know what? Okay, I know y'all think Haiti voodoo and all that, but I kind of like a little sneakily, like, oh, hey, like, it's like, yeah, it's like you under the, it's like someone is under the bed and they're like, hey, before they stab your feet. Okay, actually that did not really help, but I mean like, okay, I ain't doing stuff like that. Like I'm not about into any violence. I feel like I shouldn't even clarify this. It's making my case worse. But he's just like, it's like sneakily, like, you think you beat me? I'm right on the corner on the dark and be like, hey, you think you thought you'd get rid of me? I'm right here. I see dead people. Yeah.
I see dead people. Monster on the beat, ho, depot, getting rap, nigga, yeah, free throw, man down, call an ambulance, tell him breathe, bro, nail a nigga to the cross, he walk around like Tizo. What's up with these jabroni ass niggas trying to see Compton? They in the street can hate me, fuck them all and they mama. How many options you really got? I mean, it's too many options. I'm finna pass on this body, I'm John Stockton.
Y'all who are new to English, y'all need to watch some highlight of John Stockton. Man, I was watching homie doing. That's literally what I was watching when I was trying to be good at basketball, just for me to average 4 points. But he's gonna pass that thing like John Stockton. And another thing, I think this is the other gentleman's territory right there. Damn, that's big. That's like the size of Haiti. No, I'm joking. Haiti's way bigger than that. Alright, let's go.
Beat your ass and hide the Bible if God watching. Sometimes you gotta pop out and show niggas. Certified boogeyman, I'm the one that up to score with him. Walking down whole time, I know he got some hoe in him. Pull on him, extort shit, bully the flow on him. Say Drake, I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me Chubb's the only one that get your hand-me-downs and party at the party.
Ooh. Yeah, that's some Bible cool. It's water in it. Just don't demonize. I wish that's the right word. Don't whatever my video. Don't put it down. It's water. It's a apple juice. Yeah. So let's go back to the video.
Bully the flow on him. Say Drake, hey. I hear you like I'm young. You better not ever go to cell block 1. To any bitch that talk to him and they in love, just make sure you hide your little sister from him. They tell me
damn. they call this Zokiki in Creole. It's when you those older people go in with young people and stuff. Is that there's what did he call it? There's a word for it. Pedophile. That's how they call it in English. Damn, I'm just teaching, but maybe that should just like this is your new lingo right here. Y'all just learning a whole new different languages, but it say hide your sister, which I actually think homie is dating. Is it Cardi B? No, not Cardi B. Oh, not Cardi B. It's that girl. Oh, every Haitian people know this person. You know, y'all know Kodak Black, the Will Z, right? And that girl made a song one day that he win over Kodak Black. And that thing, it wasn't just Kodak Black, it was over the whole Haiti. So every Haitian should be against that girl. I forgot her name. She make that big energy thing, and she went over Kodak's song when he was like, "We could have been superstar." That's what I'm saying. Y'all need to support Haitian when they drop those things, because that song was way better than that big energy thing, and she won. She's a good artist. I liked her before all that happened. I'm not gonna lie, but after that, oh. But he said he's telling them, be careful with your sisters around him, because he like him wrong.
The only one that get your hand-me-downs and party at the party playing with his nose now. And Baka got a weird case, why is he around? Certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wah, 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 wah.
Hey, oh wait. I hear what he said. I feel like it's the same thing I just said.
But around, certified lover boys, certified pedophiles. Wah, 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 wah.
Hey.
Yeah, fuck 'em up. Wah, 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 wah. I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch? Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor.
I wish I had a guitar. I could have shown you what an A minor is. Yeah. I wonder if that's actually. I'm trying to hear if this is a A minor or. I wonder if that is a A minor song that he's playing. I haven't been to music. It's quite a long time, so I can't tell. But that's a bar though. That's a bar. If he's actually playing the A minor either with the song or with his voice, that'll make that thing a banger. Well, it's already a banger so far. That'll make it a banger.
They not like us. 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 You think the bay gon' let you disrespect Pop, nigga?
I was gonna say this, man. I think that song was actually not pretty decent. Y'all can say anything you want. That song he had Pac over. He just should not have Pac over. Like, what the heck, man? And I think he put Snoop Dogg. Like, homie's alive. He want a feature. Do a feature using AI. Yeah. But that bars and like a song wise, I think that was well structured.
Bird bitches go. The audience not dumb. Shape the stories how you want. Hey Drake, they're not slow. Rabbit hole is still deep. I can go further, I promise. Ain't there some P-rest stands for bitchin'? You Malibu most wanted. Ain't no law boy, you ball boy. Fish Gatorade or something. Since 2009, I had this bitch jumping. You niggas will get a wedgie. Be flipped over your boxes or over your foe. The other vaginal option. Pussy, nigga better straighten they posture. Got famous all up in contact. Might write this with a doctor. Tell a pop star quit hiding. Fuck a caption, won't action. No accident, I'm hands on. He fuck around, get polished. Fucked on Wayne Grower, he was in jail. That's conniving.
Hey.
He get his face tatted like a bitch apologizing. I'm glad D-Rose came home. Y'all didn't deserve.
That's what I'm talking about. Those treaters, man. Always talking about Lil Wayne like he's he's a brother or something. Pass me some chicken.
Can I get myself situated?
I'll do that later. It smells good though.
I'll give you some.
Okay. Alright. But he's talking like a brother and stuff, but he is like, what? Well, actually, if someone's called you the brother, does that mean what's yours is his, what's his is yours? So let's go back to the video. But He's just killing him so far. Destroy. Oh, let's go.
From either, from Elijah down to Central, nigga better not speak on Serena. And your homeboy needs subpoena. That predator moving.
No matter where you are, no matter where you're from, Selena is black excellence. Everybody love her. No matter where you are. Like, go to the DR, go to in Haiti where there's no TV or anything. They're gonna tell you about Selena. You better not say anything about Selena. We're gonna freaking use voodoo on you and oh. Yeah.
Wait.
The flax,
Serena.
that name gotta
No.
be registered and placed on neighborhood watch.
No, I'm not talking about Selena. I'm talking about Serena.
William.
I know you nigga.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
little
but the
tennis.
whole time you just said your rant, you were saying Selena.
Girl, are you trying to correct my English? It's Serena.
Yeah, but the whole time, I'm saying right now, the whole time you said Selena.
Oh, I think I said Serena, but we'll see. But you better you better also not talk about Celine Dion if you want a Haitian to kill you. But so yeah.
Cause like another line of walk, yeah, it's all eyes on me and I'ma send it up the pot. Ay, put the roll label on me, I'ma get them dropped. Ay, sweet chin music and I won't pass the ox. Ay, how many stocks do I really have in stock? Ay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 5. Ay, devil is a lie, here 69 God. Ay, freaky ass niggas need to stay their ass inside. Ay, roll their ass up like a fresh pack of Zod. Ay, city is back up, it's a must, we outside. Ay. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. They not like us, they not like us, they not like us. Once upon a time, all of us was in chains. Homie still double down, calling us some slaves. Atlanta was the mecca, building railroads and trains. Bear with me for a second, let me put y'all on game. The settlers was choosing town folk to make them richer. Fast forward 2024, you got the same agenda. You run to Atlanta when you need a check balance. Let me break it down for you, this the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Ay, what, little baby, help you get your lingo up. What, 21, get your first street cred. Thug makes you feel like you a slime in your head. Ay, what, Quavo said you could be from North.
Wait. For people who are learning English, that's actually very good. You know, I had no idea there was slavery in America too. Like, Haiti were like, oh yeah, first black country that gained their independence, or this and that. I had no idea there was all those things in it. And in fact, I thought it was just from straight from Africa to Haiti until I was like, just like, oh damn, was white over here, white over here, what this, what that? I'm like, damn. Wait, let's go back. That's his tree right there.
You good, but he lied. You run.
That's another way to learn
For
English.
you, this the real nigga challenge. You caught Future when you didn't see the club. Ay, what, little baby, help you get your lingo up. What, 21, get your first street cred. Thug makes you feel like you a slime in your head. Ay, what, Quavo said you can be from North Side. What, 2 Chainz say you good, but he lied. You run to Atlanta when you need a few dollars. No, you not a colleague, you a fucking colonizer. The family matter and the truth for the matter. He was.
Y'all need to watch out for the colonizers. But I thought I ain't Drake with black though. Or light skin. I don't know. But it's like, devil, I know who you are. That chicken is good. I know what you're up to. It's just sneakingly making money off those people. But that's just a dish though. Don't get it mixed up. So this is a dish. It's all about hip hop, it's all about poetry. It might be true, it might be not, but a bar's a bar. I feel like there was food in my mouth. I'm gonna cut that part out.
It's God's plan to show y'all the liar.
Hey!
He a fan, he a fan, he a fan. He a fan, he a fan, he a freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Freaky ass nigga, he a 69 God. Hey, 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 run for your life. Hey, 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 run for your life. Let me hear you say OV ho. OV ho. Say OV ho. OV ho. Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way. Are you my friend? Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way.
You ain't giving me a chicken? You know what? I see dead people.
You want more chicken?
Oh yeah. Alright. But man, that's a vibe. That's a vibe. I could see this gonna play forever on the club. Y'all don't play this too much on the radio. It's gonna make the song feel like go down faster, I feel like. But this a Grammy. This a Grammy certified. It's banger. All those people learning English, I don't know how would I call banger to myself when I was learning English. That's a certified classic, like Beethoven. Like this is like something that's gonna go down in history for forever. 20 years from now, 30 years from now, we're gonna remember this as, I don't know, like some Isaac Newton formulas of gravity. No, that's actually too much. Like there's gonna be some big thing in history. Like that's a breakthrough right there if you're learning English. But that's a banger. Y'all. That's all for this video. It's not even a video, it's a music video. I think I drink too much of that rum. That's it for this. And
Are we locked in? Then step this way, step that way, then step this way, step that way.
if we're locked in, subscribe and like this video, or tonight I'm gonna see dead people. I'm drinking too much on this one. No, I'm joking. You're my friend.